Ish. Let me go there, man. I've seen the poster there, so that maybe I can find the work there, Bully. And it's very tough here. Okay. Hello, sir. How are you? How are you, sir?
How can I help you?
My name is Mr. Sir, can we enter?
No, it's fine. You may enter.
Thank you, sir.
You may have a seat, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, how may I help you, sir?
How are you, sir?
I'm good, and how are you, sir?
I'm also good, sir.
So, what about the bottle on your hand?
No, sir, you see this one. This one make me like it gives me energy while I'm teaching. So it gave me energy. This one, sir.
don't take it in front of our children. We don't want our children to learn about those things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've seen the poster about you want someone who can teach your children. So I said, let me go and run there so that I can. Maybe I'll find something.
Oh, you came for the interview. You can tell me a bit about yourself. Where did you work before, so that I can know while I'm keep on searching, looking for what I'm looking for.
By the way, sir, my name is Mr. T-Boy. I've been working in Danun Secondary School. I also work in Fernand Primary School for teaching children, so I have qualifications for that.
Okay, so I'll go to interview. So if I can see that you qualify or not.
Okay, sir, I don't mind about the interview, no problem, sir.
So okay, let's do this. A baby boy in the morning,
Monica.
a baby boy in the evening,
Evening.
a baby born on the floor,
Florence.
a baby born at the door,
Doreen.
a baby born under the bridge,
Bridget.
a baby born in the car,
Carl.
a baby born at the midday.
Milton.
No, say yo. I like it. I like you qualify for teaching our children. So we will meet again in next episode. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So, sir, if I may ask, do I qualify to be a teacher in the school?
No. Leave that for the viewers. Leave that for the viewers. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Have a blessed episode in other episode to come. Thank you, sir.